You're invited to the most magical party of all. Hey. So yun mga ma'am sir, we will do a quick room tour dito sa Hong Kong Disneyland Hotel. Wow. Oh my God, kinikilabutan ako. Ito na naman tayo. Kita natin yung pier dito, love! What we are going to do first is the Finding Hidden Mickey. Once you scan the QR code, lalabas yung thank you, happy anniversary, Hong Kong Disneyland. Hi, Belle! Maybe I'm the beast.
Well, you know.
So yun guys, solo natin tong indoor pool. Walang katao-tao. Mga ma'am sir, totoong chismis. Maniknik. With Mickey Mouse! Happy anniversary! Hey! Here. Wow. We're back after almost 5 years. We're now here guys sa Disneyland Hotel. Hiyap lang kami for check-in. Good afternoon. Yes, for check-in.
Check-in for 2?
For 2, yeah.
Thank you.
HKID is okay, right?
Sure, of course.
Any activity special for the 20th anniversary here in the hotel?
We'll be starting tomorrow.
Starting tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Okay.
Arrange one king size bed. And for the room, including 2 adult breakfast.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Check our card. Let's go. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay guys, so we got our key card. They have special activities daw for the 20th anniversary dito sa Hong Kong Disneyland Hotel. Pero mag-start siya tomorrow, as in start nung kung kailan mag-start talaga yung 20th anniversary celebration nila, which is June 28th. So since June 27th pa lang, ayan, medyo naghahanda pa lang sila. Pero tomorrow, yun nga, they will give out or hand out new schedule ng mga activities available for their 20th anniversary. So now we are heading up to the 5th floor. That's where our hotel room is. Let's go. Hi, love. We're back after 5 years. Almost 5 years. Hey. Ayun na. Ang bilis pala na ano ba ito? Kakasakay lang namin. Nandito na tayo. So, room number is 5041. Ayan. Let's go, love. So, this is the very first hotel that we stayed in dito sa Disneyland. Hello!
Hello, welcome!
So, now we are so back. 5041. Anyway, I asked for a free upgrade, pero sabi maganda na raw yung room na inassign sa atin. Pero kasi fully booked sila halos, no?
Oo, kasi 20.
Yeah, marami raw guests ngayon, kaya hindi nila ma-accommodate yung ating request for a free upgrade, but we are on the corner. Ito. 5041 for the city. Ayun. Whoa. Lalo na ito. And it's ocean view, love. Ocean view. Kaya sabi niya maganda na raw yung room. Wow. Oh my God, kinikilabutan ako. Ito na naman tayo. Kinikilabutan na naman tayo. Kita natin yung pier dito, love. Ang ganda nga. Ayun. Ayan, and king bed. So, I requested. Pwede kasi i-request nyo either 2 beds, 2 single beds, or 1 king bed. So, later, I will do a quick room tour dito sa Hong Kong Disneyland Hotel. Again, as I mentioned, this is the very first hotel that we booked or we stayed at dito sa Hong Kong Disneyland before. That was for my, ano pa na, love? 30th birthday ko yun. Oo, sobrang tanda ko na. Napaghahalatan, but anyway, yung area or yung room mismo, mas malaki nandun sa baba na, love. the one that we stayed at before. Para mas malaki yung room area. Oo, nasa baba lang yun. Garden view yun. Pero ito, corner room siya guys. And ang ganda ng view. So, later I will discuss more about it. But for now, settle in muna kami ni Love. I'm very excited. As in, goosies talaga. Kilabot factor kanina. Pero I'm so excited. This is it. We are going to celebrate the 20th anniversary of Hong Kong Disneyland here mismo sa Hong Kong Disneyland Hotel. So ito yung una nating agenda, no? To fully experience the 20th birthday, 20th anniversary ng second home ko na. At ayun, marami nagre-request, marami rin nag-aabang nito dito sa ating channel. Kaya let's go. Let's do this. So ayun mga ma'am sir, as mentioned, so we will do a quick room tour dito sa Hong Kong Disneyland Hotel. So we booked this through Klook. Nagva-vary din yung presyo, depende dun sa punta ninyo of course. But for us, we booked the deluxe room, good for 2 persons sa Klook for around 3,800 Hong Kong dollars or around roughly 27,000 pesos per night. Kasama na yung breakfast buffet sa Enchanted Garden tomorrow morning. So, I know medyo splurge, medyo mahal, pero it's worth it. Ako yung nagsasabi, lalo na if you are a big fan of, you know, of Disney, and if you just wanted to treat yourself or your family na sa isang luxurious Disney-themed vacation or staycation, this is really worth it, guys. But yeah, for you to decide if worth it nga ba, I will do the quick room tour ngayon na. Let's go. So as you enter, the very first area, nandito yung closet nila. Meron na sila dito yung mga amenities or mga stuff na kailangan nyo. There's a very spacious area dito or space for your luggage. And on the other side of the closet, we have a rack or a cabinet naman on this side. There's the hair dryer, and yung mga bathrobe nila rito, and of course, room sleepers. Ayan. So it's a family room. Actually, you can fit up to 4 people na bagets yung kasama ninyo. Ayan. And then, on the next area, we have a full body mirror over here, which is really nice, di ba? Ayan. So, dito na rin namin nilagay yung mga sapatos namin for now. You can hang your, you know, stuff, your clothes here. There's a seat. Pwede natin ilagay yung mga, I think, Love, pwede ito sa mga shoes. Dito na lang, di ba? And then, on the next area, or in the next part, ito na yung mini pantry nila, where you have your Nespresso machine. Meron na rin kayo mga Nespresso capsules dito. And then you have your complimentary water, electric kettle, or the stuff that you need for your coffee. Of course, they also have coffee mate here, your tea, ayan, na pwede ninyong gamitin for your, you know, siesta or what. Dito na rin lahat ng mga, you know, teacups, mga glasses or baso for your personal use. And then they also have ice bucket. Ayan. So mamaya we can get ice for our drinks. And then on the same cabinet or in the same area, you have your safe or safety box, or you can put your essentials, and you have a mini ref. So walang complimentary anything, but you can buy. So for your information, those are the prices for the chips and anything that you can consume here. Next area is the bathroom, the toilet and bath. So there's the toilet. Ayan, very open, very spacious. And then this is the sink. Ayan, where you can see all the stuff, all the amenities. So gaya na nasabi kanina, hindi na sila nagpo-provide ng mga plastic amenities. So you can buy those on the counter or dun sa concierge. All the things that you need, body lotion, hand wash, they are using rituals now. As far as I know, hindi rituals yung gamit nila before, but this is really nice. I mean, the scent, especially yung ginagamit ko na hand cream, rituals yun. And you have a nice mirror here, really, really nice. The lighting, the effect, very aesthetic, especially if you are doing, you know, your TikToks or what. And then, on this side is the shower room and the bathtub. Ayan, very spacious din. You have a good lighting over here. Very dramatic yung effect. Diba? All the essentials here, shampoo, conditioner, and shower gel, all are rituals then. So you cannot get this. They are locked. Ayan, but you can, of course, request for a refill if in case, you know, maubos nyo yan. Hindi ko alam kung anong klaseng pagligo ang gagawin nyo para maubos nyo yan, but yeah. That is the bathroom. So, just outside, after you exited the bathroom, we have the entertainment area over here. Cabinets here, where you can put your stuff. So yun, check nyo yung mga cabinet. Minsan may mga nilalagay sila ng mga coupon doon. You will see the king size bed. Ayan, tapos, this is really nice. There's a charger dito sa side table. Ayan, meron na dito mga USB-C, USB, and MagSafe or wireless charger. Your pen and paper over here. Ayan, this is what I am talking about. So meron sila rito mga, ayan, may mga pa-coupon sila guys. Enjoy $100 discount upon spending $500. Sa mga restaurants sila, love, we can use this one, no? Abot ba tayo ng $500? Parang ang mahal naman. And then you can also get this coupons as well or use these coupons. Ayan, you can create your own Disney bouquet, merch discount for $10. And then BBD Bobbidi Boutique, $100 coupon. And finally, they have this table. It's like a study table na rin or dining table, multi-purpose area where you can just sit, relax, and enjoy this view, guys. So this is our view from our room. Ayan, as you can see, we are near the pier, yung Disneyland Pier. And then just beside this, or if you turn left, yan, kung mag-walk kayo doon na rin yung papasok or yung entrance papunta doon sa park. And doon na rin guys yung quote-unquote secret arch kung saan konti lang nakakapagpa-picture. Alright? But meron naman silang free shuttle going in and out of the hotel. Like from Disneyland Hotel papunta dun sa park. I think from 6 a.m. to 1 a.m. yung schedule nila. Tama ba, love? Yes, 6 a.m. to 1 a.m. So, lahat naman yan binigay upon check-in doon sa concierge. So, you can all check the information here. But so far, yun yung ating naging hotel room tour dito sa Disneyland Hotel. I hope nakatulong ang ating room tour para makapag-decide kayo or mapag-isipan nyo guys if it's really worth it to book a room dito sa Hong Kong Disneyland Hotel. And by the way, we were able to check in around 2:30 p.m.-ish. Ayan, although standard check-in and check-out is from 3 p.m. to 11 a.m. So by the way guys, bago ko makalimutan, there's a 2,000 Hong Kong dollars na deposit na kailangan nyong ibigay or bayaran upon check-in. But for my case, for some reason, yung card ko hindi raw nababasa. So, I'm not sure if it's a blessing in disguise. Pero ma-check ko yung card ko kung anong problema niya. If I remember correctly, nung nag-book kami directly doon sa website before, 5 years ago, even yung mga recent na bookings namin na direct sa website, wala silang deposit or walang hinihingi sa amin deposit. I'm not sure if dahil sa Klook kami nag-book, kaya kami hiningan ng deposit now. Pero, yun, you can prepare for that just in case. Hingan kayo. Baba lang kami. We will check what we can find. And ililibot ko pa kayo guys around Hong Kong Disneyland Hotel just to give you an update kung ano nga ba mga ganap because the last time we were here was like 5 years ago. So, mag-relapse din ako. Diba? Walk down the memory lane. Tingnan natin kung may bago nga ba or ano yung mga ganap. Especially now that Hong Kong Disneyland will be celebrating their 20th anniversary this year. So, let's go. Going down, going timber. So guys, we're now here sa 3rd floor. So 3rd floor yung lobby area nila. Dito rin yung Waltz Cafe. And at the same time, so yeah, they have ATM here guys, standard chartered. So you can withdraw here if in case you ran out of cash. Ayan. And then meron din mga power bank over here that you can rent out. This is the Waltz Cafe. One of the 3 restaurants here in Hong Kong Disneyland Hotel. So we're now here in Waltz Cafe. Sure. So this is our view from here guys. So konti lang kumakain. It's afternoon time. Afternoon tea time dito. Medyo pricey lang talaga. Thank you. Bango. So this is what we ordered, guys. I have the capellini and Love has her croque madame. This is our super late lunch na. So very very cute yung serving. Pero this is one of their signature dishes dito daw sa Waltz Cafe. Kaya let's see if it's worth it. Kain tayo mga ma'am sir. So this is really fitting, lalo na nung na-receive namin. Pero kami naka-receive ng good news ng aking pinakamama. So cheers to us, love. Small win. Pero order pa ako ng macaroni na side dish. I mean, for its price, mahal talaga. Pero masarap nga siya. So we also have this very cute Mickey macaroni. How's it, love? How's your croque madame? How is it?
Masarap. Hello.
Hello, love. Kain tayo. Pero in fairness naman, masarap. Although, mahal lang talaga mga ma'am sir, no? Pero let's see. May discount kami. May coupon ako na nakuha. 100 Hong Kong dollars, diba? Kapag naka 500. Naka 500 na tayo for sure. Tapos, hindi ko alam kung pwede ko pa magamit yung magic access ko on top. Yung sa coupon, diba? Gagawin natin lahat para makatipid lang. Binigyan ako ni Love ng croque madame. Very cheesy. Hindi matigas yung ano, in fairness, no? Yung bread.
Masarap.
Sarap naman sila. Or pinipilit lang natin sa'yo natin masarap. Kasi mahal. Pero hindi, legit, masarap siya. Yeah, masarap siya. Mahal mag-heal ng inner child, mga moms. Siguro talagang paghahandaan nyo siya, no? Talagang maglalaan kayo ng budget for it. Pero pwede nyo naman i-enjoy din yung stay nyo without really splurging or spending too much. Pwede naman kayo magdala ng food. Pwede kayo magbaon, ganyan. Pwede kayong bumili outside, medyo malayo. Ang pinakamalapit dito na mall is yung Citygate Outlets. So, merong taste doon, merong grocery doon. So, this is what we ordered. I had Kids Fantasy. Ayan. Ito yung signature beverage nila rito. And Love Cat VIC Chocolate. Ayan. Mukhang masarap yung kailan. Palit tayo. Pero lang. Masarap naman siya. Pero konti lang.
Ang lasa.
Ano? Masarap. Diba?
Sarap.
Masarap siya, pero cute lang yung serving. Tsokolating.
Diba? Tapos kakapaklirin mo lang.
Okay lang eh. Sarap naman siya, pero
Sarap lang. Sarap.
diba? Pero cute lang yung ano. Parang, siguro gaganyan-ganyan lang ako. Ganyan lang yung mga sip-sip mo. Kaya, para masulit siya, pero masarap. Talagang, ang mahal. Mag-Disneyland. So guys, we're now done doon sa late lunch natin sa Waltz Cafe. Now we're here sa Kingdom Gifts. Dito rin yan sa loob ng Hong Kong Disneyland Hotel. So, laging bumili ng mga merch dito, iba-iba. Although, mas maliit tong merch store na to versus dun sa loob ng, Disneyland Park. Or you can see or purchase yung mga merchandise or stuff na makikita rin sa loob ng park. Ito mga ito, nakita rin natin yan sa park. Dami rin nila mga stuff dito na pwede nyo mabili, guys. They also have the Woody figure. Ngayon dito, action figure. And ito nakita rin natin to before. Yung Duffy and Friends na bus. Then they have the Disney Princess figure set. 209 Hong Kong dollars to. Actually, si Love, she's looking for something na she can wear tomorrow. Sana may makita siya or may mabili siya. Then you can also purchase drinks over here. Meron sila sunblock. Tapos may Biogesic din sila. Paracetamol. If you guys are looking for meds, this is really nice. Ayan, meron din yung para sa tiyan. Lozenge pala to. We also have lozenges here. Love it, maganda. Ayan, yung katulad sa akin. Pero white. Black yung akin. Pero ganyan. Silver din yung design. Ayan. Para black and white tayo. Pero yung pababae, yung ano niya. No? Yung fit iconic trash bin sa Disneyland. Hong Kong. Ito cute din to. Yung keychain na to. Bag. No?
Nalagay ng coins.
Magkano ba yan? Tingnan mo. 129 Hong Kong dollars. Medyo mahal lang.
Medyo mahal.
Ito cute to. Ito magnet din na clip. 'Di ba? Mga ref magnet. Pwede kang maglagay ng mga bills, ganyan. Ito cute to mga to. Ito cute to. Judo to. 159 nga na medyo mahal. You're invited to the most magical party of all. Hey. Yung mga blind box sa mga trash bin. Diba? Alam ko 69 ito to. Ayan. 69 Hong Kong dollars. Yung postcard. Ano to? Good souvenir din, diba? Papadala niya. And free lang siya. Complimentary mailing service once you buy yung mga postcards nila. Pwede niya ipadala sa inyo. Actually, ginawa namin ni Love sa Japan. Ito maganda, Momentous. Ayan. Parang after ilang weeks natin na-receive. After a month, no? Lina Bell. Lina Bellrama. 180 kapag bumili ka na kahit ano. Magkano ba siya originally? Mahal siya, 399 before. Pwede mo siyang gamitin tomorrow.
Sabi dito,
Any purchase daw eh.
any purchase.
With any merch purchase, 180 na lang. Gamitin mo tomorrow. Tapos sakto yung headband mo. Si Lina Bell din dito. Meron sila Stitch Fruit Frenzy Mystery Box Collection. Ay no, parang labubo yung ano niya. Yung material. Ano? 89 lang. So yun, nagamit din naman yung $10 na coupon. So ito guys, naka 50 off to. Yung scarf ni Love. This one is...
The prize, the gift.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Alright.
Alright. Let's go find the hidden Mickey to get the free gift. Oh, the 20th anniversary. Can I see?
Yeah.
Oh, magnet siya, Love. Nice. So this is for the Explorers Lodge.
Yeah.
The magnet. And then the other one is for the Hollywood Hotel naman. So you need to complete all the mission for all the 3 hotels here in Hong Kong Disneyland. Up until what time can we should we complete this one?
At
10
10.
p.m. Okay.
Yeah, 10 p.m.
So yun guys, here at Hong Kong Disneyland Hotel, they have recreational activities. So what we are going to do first is the Finding Hidden Mickey. So nakalagay naman dito kung saan siya matatagpuan. All you need to do is find them, take a picture, tapos kukunin nyo or i-claim natin yung prize doon sa gym counter sa first floor. So let's get going. First time namin itong gawin ni Love. I'm excited. Hi Love! Let's go! So this is the first hidden Mickey guys. Tada! Hindi na siya masyadong hidden. Pero yeah, take a picture lang. So here's another one. Hidden Mickey.
Hidden Mickey. Okay na.
Ayan siya. Here's another hidden Mickey. Actually, dalawa sila. Si Mickey tsaka si Minnie nandito. So according sa map, meron ding hidden Mickey doon sa may chandelier. So there's the other hidden Mickey guys. Ay, makita niyo ba? Ayan siya. Yan pala siya guys. Ito yung matagal namin hinahanap kanina. Dito lang pala. There you go. Another hidden Mickey. Cute. We are down to the last hidden Mickey. Ito siya sa Enchanted Garden. So this is the Enchanted Garden. This is the buffet restaurant. Actually, buffet lunch dinner. So serve sila dyan. Ayan. Hey. Still finding the hidden Mickeys. Ay, hindi. Tapos na tayo. We're done. Second game na. Let's go.
Na yung second game for their 20th anniversary. Yung per hotel.
Per hotel. Okay. So
per
first
hotel.
stop natin is pupunta tayo dun sa maze.
Sa maze, yung unang game.
Yung game natin sa maze. Okay, let's go.
Let's go!
So this is another restaurant here guys in Hong Kong Disneyland Hotel, Crystal Lotus. Ayan dito mga dim sum. Ayan. Tsaka mga local cuisine. Ganda. Ganda na store nila rito. So yun guys, may magical coin press machines din sila rito. Ayan, meron Inside Out, si Joy, si Sadness. Wala lang tong si ano eh. Pangalan na ito. Forget the name. Pero, ayun. Hi, Belle!
You must be a handsome prince, perhaps.
Maybe I'm the beast.
Well, you know, he was a handsome prince all along.
Right?
So there you go. You must be a handsome prince.
Thank you so much. Say hi to my vlog for me. Hi, vlog. I'm with Belle.
Oh, you have a magic mirror of your own, I see.
Yeah. I think that's a different story, though.
Well, I do have a magic mirror.
Oh, you do?
The beast gave it to me. That's how I saw my father.
I see. I couldn't remember that part.
I mean, there are lots of stories. You know, the beast gifted me the library, and there's so many books.
Yeah.
I'm still reading all of them.
Wow.
Of
Thanks for
course.
the lovely story that you have with Beast. Thank you, Belle. Happy 20th anniversary. Will you be there in the park?
You might see me dancing around.
Oh, okay. Looking forward to that.
I can't wait either.
Thank you. Bye-bye. See you tomorrow. Wow. There are 3 hotels dito sa Hong Kong Disneyland Park. Itong Hong Kong Disneyland Hotel, ito yung parang medyo royalty yung vibe. You know, very Disney Prince and Princess yung vibe dito. Yung sa Disney Explorers Lodge naman, medyo safari naman yung vibe niya. Adventurous. Disney Hollywood Hotel naman, yun yung medyo chill. Medyo, yun nga, Hollywood yung vibe. Very very simple pero very glamour naman yung vibe doon, di ba? Ayan guys, naubos yung English natin kay Belle. Basta sinabi ko na lang kamukha ko si Beast. So, Beauty and the Beast ang atake kanina. Pero, ang funny kasi, di ba sa mismong park, nag-aagawan, I mean, haba pila, di ba? For the meet and greet ng mga, alam mo yan, ng mga characters. Specifically, yung mga Disney princesses. Dito, solo talaga kanina. So now we are heading doon sa maze. Ayan. Doon na ating next activity. So we are planning to complete this activity para doon sa exclusive, no? 20th anniversary exclusive magnet or giveaway. So yun mga ma'am sir, they are providing insect repellent kasi maniknik, di ba? Yung mga guests na ito talaga yung nire-report nila, yung niknik dito sa Disneyland. If in case you don't have any insect repellent with you, you can have it here or you can apply. Meron sila talagang binibigay. So, prepared sila, guys. We are outside. Oh, tayo lang nandito, love. Love, tayo lang nasa maze. Wala katao-tao, kami lang nandito. Sobrang amazing. So, and mga ma'am, sir, this is the iconic maze dito sa Hong Kong Disneyland. Hi, love. And this is the hotel. Let's go. So we need to reach muna yung specific anong tawag dito? Marker. And then may i-scan tayo na QR code doon.
Pluto.
So yung signage na yun or yung icon na yun corresponding to Pluto. Ayan.
Pluto.
Ayan. Let's go. Go love, you can do it. Ayan na. There's another one. Saan ka dumaan love dito? Ayan, once you scan the QR code, lalabas yung character. Konti na lang, dalawa na lang, tatlo na lang. So yung mga ma'am sir, totoong chismis, maniknik, no? Yung mga insekto, I already had one insect bite. Kailangan talaga meron kayong insect repellent or what. Just look at the hotel guys, super picturesque, especially from this vantage point. I love! I can still remember this specific spot right here. Dito kami nag-pictorial na ni Love. Ayan. Parang meron lang akong rito. Meron lang akong tripod na nakaset up dito. Ayan. And right now, as you can see, sobrang konti lang ng tao. So yun guys, merong mini golf course dito. You can also play golf here. Super cute lang. On this part guys, is the outdoor pool. So meron silang indoor and outdoor pool. So itong outdoor pool from 8 AM to 10 PM. Buti good yung weather, fair yung weather. So, bukas siya. Sobrang inviting lang. Dahil na medyo mainit-init, kaya parang sarap mag-swim. Pero yun, first time ko if ever, kasi the first time na pumunta kami rito, sarado yung pool nun, kasi pandemic. So, let's see later if makakapag-swim tayo hanggang 10 PM naman. Yung indoor pool, alam ko hanggang from 1 p.m. to 10 p.m. naman. So, if ever, baka doon lang tayo sa indoor pool. For now, Jam and I, we will walk doon sa promenade or sa promenade. Ayan, para naman pumunta doon sa kabilang hotel. So, after this is the Disney Explorers Lodge. You can walk or you can take the shuttle to go there. Pero kami, lalakad kami ni Love. So, instant date na rin yun for us. Lalakad na kami ngayon dito sa promenade. Ayan, siguro mga 5 to 10 minutes walk din to. From the, ito na yung Hong Kong Disneyland Hotel. Ayan, then after this is the Explorers Lodge. Then, pinakadulo is yung Hollywood Hotel. Ayan, so far, ano yung pinaka-favorite mo, Love? Ikaw, personally?
Yung Disney Explorers Lodge. Pero sabi nila may kakaiba daw dun.
Hangin sa group, diba? Sa Hong Kong group. Parang natakot sila dun sa...
Mini.
May Minnie Mouse kasi na
Katapat sa lamin.
Ano tawag dun? Basta meron siyang rebulto.
Oo.
Rebulto na gano'n. Sakto kasi nasa salamin. Tapos nandun siya sa parang headboard.
Kasi iba yung interior.
Oo. Very safari, very camping.
Tsaka very
cool.
Detailed.
Oo. Pero yun guys, if you are into like royalty nga, nasabi ko na kanina, no? Parang princess or princesses, ayan, eto yung Disney, Hong Kong Disneyland Hotel talaga yung para sa inyo. Like, yan, lakas yung mga Disney prince or princess yung dating. Tsaka yun nga, yung mga characters na nandun, like, kanina si Belle nga yung na-meet natin, di ba? So yun yung mga characters. Then, doon naman sa Explorers Lodge, parang safari naman yung dating, di ba? Parang nasi-feel ko na init bigla. Parang tama ba yung decision natin, Love? Sakto rin naman yung anniversary ng Hong Kong Disneyland. Tinapat na summer, no? Kung kailan ka initan, talagang doon pa. Pero, ayun, maraming nagja-jog, maraming nag-walkathon dito sa promenade. Kasi maliban sa yun nga, makikita mo yung Disneyland. Libre kayong makapasok, guys. As in, kung kahit hindi kayo naka-check-in doon sa hotel, you can explore, di ba? Yung grounds, yung hanggang sa lobby. Even, you can eat, like walk-in lang sa mga restaurants. Pwede rin yun. So, you don't need to be a guest or hotel guest to enjoy yung mga ganong klase. Although, katulad dito, yung mga challenges na yan, hindi nyo pwedeng magawa. Kasi dapat meron kayo, or hahanapin yung room number eh. So, kailangan naka-check-in kayo. Pero the rest, you can actually do. You can even shop like merchandise dun sa mga stores dun sa loob, or even do meet and greets with the Disney characters na makikita nyo or mamimit nyo dun sa mga hotel. So, lahat yun libre. You can do this for free. Kaya, if you are on a budget, kunwari, you just want to spend like a day to feel the Disney vibe, you can do that. Diba? You don't have to spend so much para ma-enjoy yun. Diba? Yun lang. Ang daming dada. Init na. Okay na. Okay na to. So yun guys, yung nakikita nyo na other side, that's Discovery Bay. So that's another area that you can explore na malapit lang dito sa Disneyland. And we're now here, Disney Explorers Lodge. Our favorite among the 3 hotels dito sa Hong Kong Disneyland. Hi, Love! We're back. We are so back here. Hindi siya sa loob. Ay, oo, sa loob nga. Sa loob nga ng...
Tuloy yung nasa labas.
So, yung bio nasa labas. Let's go. Nice. We're here. So, guys. So, ang gagawin is scan yung QR. Ayan nga yan, Mickey Mouse. Diba? So, scan yung QR dito sa card. And then, kailangan nyo yung mahulaan kung ano yung figure. Ayan. So, for this, we will take a photo. So, si Mickey Mouse. And guys, we're done with the challenge. So, ito yung sagot, 2005. Pero kailangan pa i-draw eh. Dito, yung mga images na makikita doon sa QR code. Anyway, you need to take a photo rin naman, di ba? So, kahit alam nyo yan, yung sagot, kung wala kayong, kung wala kayong pruweba or proof na nakumpleto nyo yung challenge, hindi nyo rin makakuha yung prize. Sobrang amazing talaga itong Explorers Lodge. Ito talaga yung paborito namin. Ayan, just look at the interior, guys. Diba? Tapos yan, may pa 20th anniversary banner na rin sila rito. So I already vlogged about Disney Explorers Lodge before. You can watch my previous vlog if you want to know more. Ayan, I think wala namang masyadong pagkakaiba and all. And I think na nakapag-room tour na rin tayo dyan. Kaya you can check that vlog out. And this is our last stop, guys, Hollywood Hotel. So from Disney Explorers Lodge, lumakad lang kami ni Love. Although yun nga, may shuttle naman going, pero every 30 minutes pa siya. Pero since gusto na naming matapos to, saglit lang naman, di ba? Literal. Nakausap namin si Kuya doon sa sa entrance ng Explorers Lodge. Sabi niya, lakarin niyo na lang, sir, guys, antayin niyo kasi 5 minutes meron naman na. So,
Lapit lang yun.
lapit nga lang, yeah. Pero siguro kung doon kayo sa promenade lalakad, katulad ng ginawa namin kanina, medyo malayo siya. Pero doon kami kasi sa front gate naglakad, kaya mabilis-bilis. Meron na rin akong vlog about Disney Hollywood Hotel, guys. You can check that out. Nakapag-stay na rin kami ni Love dyan. We're now here, Hollywood Hotel. This is our last stop sa aming Hong Kong Disneyland Hotel Challenge. Ayan, ang bango. Bango naman dito. Ay, parang mas maganda yung mga merch na dito, Love. Nakapag-stay na kami dito, guys. Maganda rin dito. And ayun, if you're looking for a much cheaper option ng mga hotel dito sa Hong Kong Disneyland, itong Hollywood Hotel yung may mas mababa yung presyo ng mga rooms or yung room rates as compared dun sa Disneyland Hotel and sa Explorers Lodge. Dito naman medyo yun yan, nabanggit ko kanina, glamour, di ba? Yan, very Hollywood vibe, very artista vibe yung dating. Parang yun yung theme nila. Pero if you're a big fan of Marvel, ayan, dito sa Hollywood Hotel yung theme, yung mga Marvel themed rooms nila tsaka yung restaurant nila. Again, you can watch my previous vlog about Disney Hollywood Hotel para magkaroon kayo ng idea. So ayan, ito, The Archivist. So dito yung, nila, Marvel themed na mga food. Saya dito. You can check this out. So this is the other question dun sa challenge, how many Pixar characters yung nasa poster dito sa lobby. So 9. Ayan. Grabe na challenge kami, guys, dito sa nila. Pag-game nila dito sa Hollywood Hotel. So, ayan, i-decode nyo ito using yung nila, parang mga sign. Tapos hahanapin nyo yung character na yun, then pipicturean nyo sila na nakapalibot lang sila around Hollywood Hotel. So, ilalagay ko na lang yung mga photos, ayan, na tinake namin kanina. So, hinanap namin si Hulk, si Dante, si Bruni, tsaka si Mickey Mouse, Fantasia. We are back here. Isasabit na natin yung ating answer sheet. Mag-drawing pala muna. But anyway, lalo na kapag gabi, Love? Iba yung atake nitong Hong Kong Disneyland Hotel talaga. Like legit, parang royalty. Tapos minsan may nagpe-perform dito sa balcony na yan. Ayan, may nagpe-perform or merong character greeting. Ayan. Hindi ko lang alam what time today. Ang dami rin naming influencer na nakita today. Invited siguro sila ng Disneyland or ng Klook, no? Ng mga brand for the the celebration nga. Tomorrow na yan, guys. I'm really excited. So, papakita ko yan sa inyo tomorrow. But for this vlog, focus muna tayo sa goal. So, yung naging stay nga natin dito sa Hong Kong Disneyland Hotel. So, yan. Kailangan nyo kasi i-drawing, guys.
Ito yung ilong. Naging ganito yung ilong niya.
Naging Mighty Mouse. Hindi Mickey Mouse. Okay na yan. Gets na nila yan na si Mickey Mouse naman yan. So, we have completed the challenge, guys. Ayan, yun yung answer sheet natin. Now, we are heading doon sa gym counter. Dito sa first floor. Hey, we did it! Let's go! Although meron kami mga parts na hindi sure. Bahala na. Pero pinicture na lang namin, di ba? Bahala na. We successfully found Hidden Mickey. We got the prize. Sa Aristocrat yata ito. Ayun, mga chum-chum.
This is Hollywood, and then this one Explore, and this one is from Disney also. So our also.
Yeah.
And then this is also for the Hidden
Finding
Mickey.
Mickey. Yeah.
Yep.
Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah. Yan, mga ref magnets yan. Iba-iba. So since we completed all 3 challenges, we got all the magnets from different hotels. One more complimentary. Thank you. Happy anniversary, Hong Kong Disneyland. But anyway, guys, these are the activities that you can do here. So in line with the 20th anniversary celebration. So yan, meron silang mga pa-tour and you can win or you can get prizes like this one. So what's the requirement? You just need the room number.
Yeah, room number.
The room number, okay. So these are the board game that you can rent out, guys. Dito sa gym counter nila sa first floor. My name, JB Domingo. So I can write it down for you if you want. I'm just starting out though. But yeah, I vlog about Hong Kong, especially Hong Kong Disneyland. Okay.
Good luck with your account.
Thank you. Say hi to my vlog. Bye-bye. So yun guys, this is the gym. Ayan. Meron na silang gym dito. You can inquire to use the gym. And this is the indoor pool. Look at that guys. Walang tao. Really nice. So yun, you need to wear proper swimming attire para makapag-swim kayo dito guys. Okay? So yun, chinek ko lang because I'm planning to take a dip dito sa pool nila. So I'm really excited. I just want to relax. And sulitin natin yung stay natin dito sa Hong Kong Disneyland Hotel. Balik lang muna kami saglit dun sa room para makapag-cool down ng konti, di ba? Hey, we're going for a swim. Let's go. So guys, hanggang 10 PM naman yung swimming pool nila dito. Both yung indoor and outdoor pools. So syempre, natin papalagpasin yan. Kaya magsiswimming tayo. So yun guys, solo natin tong indoor pool. Walang katao-tao. Which is good. Diba? Pero yun, may mga lifeguard naman na nakasubaybay talaga. So, kahit mag-isa ka lang, safe na safe dito. Hindi yun, ngayon lang ako makapunta dito. Ngayon na ako makapag-try mag-swim dito. Kaya, gina na natin to. Grabe guys, solo natin to. Masaya. Tapos meron din palang sauna and whirlpool doon sa loob. So first time ko makita yun. Diba? Ang saya. Tapos 1.2 meters tong lalim ng pool. Ng indoor pool nila dito. Kaya very nice. And solo natin siya. Para kung nirem. Ito buong pool nila. Just look at that. So yun guys, nagpa-room service na lang kami. Mahal din pala. So, lahat to, parang 870 Hong Kong dollars. So, we bought 2 nasi goreng. Sobrang gutom na talaga kami nila. Hindi kami nag-rice kanina. Then, ayan, mushroom soup. Then, yun lang. Yun lang naman yan. So, yan, in-room service na lang tayo for tonight's dinner. Tweet, tweet. Good morning mga ma'am sir. So it's day 2 here in Hong Kong Disneyland Hotel and now we are here sa Enchanted Garden for the breakfast buffet. So kasama na to din sa booking natin sa Klook. Yung kinuha namin na schedule is 7:30 to 9 AM although mag-8 AM na. So, kailangan natin kumain para masulit to. Let's go. Okay, we're here, guys. Parang dito rin tayo dati. Parang ito rin yung table namin ng dinner. Parang nakabis na yung mga tao dito. Kami pambahay. But anyway, parang ito rin yung exact table yata namin before. Nung nag-buffet dinner kami rito. So, nakakatuwa. As in, ito siya oh. Kung mapanood nyo or kung napanood nyo yung Enchanted Garden buffet dinner namin before. I'm not sure kung itong table ba or basta ito. Basta yung lugar na ito. Parang ganun. So now, let's check ano yung makukuha natin dito for breakfast. Grabe, they have so many choices here guys. They have baked chicken fillet. Bacon, mga breakfast staple, French toast, hash brown, and you can also have your omelette or your egg prepared. And they have sauteed veg here, scrambled eggs, ayan, pork and beans, meron din. And ayan, merong ham. They have pancake with Donald Duck. So they have Indian and vegetarian choices as well. Sobrang sulit yung breakfast buffet dito. So they also have yogurts, fruits over here, and different drinks, guys, that you can choose from. Of course, they have assorted breads over here. Here's the dessert bar. They have Mickey-shaped Crispies over here, Minnie Mouse cupcakes. Then there's the Mickey cookies, cold cuts over here. Ayan. Your appetizer. Of course, to pair up with your cold cuts, meron sila mga cheese. And this is the salad bar. Hey Pluto! Lilibot naman sila dun sa mga tables. Ayan. Hindi nyo kailangan makipag-unahan, makapag-picture sa kanila. Although yun, kailangan nasa table kayo para mapuntahan din kayo. Good morning, Mickey! Say hi to my vlog! Happy anniversary! Hi, I'm with Mickey Mouse! Happy anniversary! Hey, peace bump! Bye-bye! Ludo, it's our turn! Happy 20th anniversary! Love tingnan kanya. Vlog! Hey, happy anniversary! Happy anniversary! Happy anniversary! Thanks, Ludo! Bye-bye! Hey! For me, okay naman yung selection. Pero si Love daw, actually oo nga, namiss ko yung Dragon Wing. Lalo na yung nila, yung pork bun, no? Siguro maganda lang dito is sure kayo na meron kayong mamimit ng mga character. Diba? Na marami. Right? Ngayon na si Mickey Mouse. And then, si Pluto. Sa Dragon Wing kasi nung pumunta tayo, wala, no? So far, okay naman. And, ayun, after this, mag-check out na rin kami. Like, mag-aayos na lang gamit and all. And, iiwan na lang namin yung luggage namin dito rin sa hotel. Kasi free mag-iwan. So, upon check-out, you can leave your luggage, your things, dito sa, sa hotel for storage. Kasi may bayad na if ever you will be leaving your things or stuff doon mismo sa park. Okay, so medyo ang cons lang doon, kailangan yung balikan siya after nyong pumasyal doon sa Disneyland. May bibigay sa inyo photo pass. Sa inyo kuha namin kanina, guys, sa photo pass. Pipili lang kayo ng picture na gusto nyo. Guys, after checkout, we have our souvenir cards. Ayan. So ayan, sa inyo na yan. Surrender nyo lang after checkout and bibigyan nila kayo ng card. So ayan mga ma'am, sir, today is the day, saktong 20th anniversary celebration ng Hong Kong Disneyland. And doon na kami pupunta after this, guys. But for now, this is where I will end our vlog. So yun nga yung naging ating Hong Kong Disneyland Hotel experience. Pre-celebration for the 20th anniversary ng Hong Kong Disneyland. I'm really happy. So kung gusto nyo pang abangan kung ano mga ganap at celebration sa most magical party of all, sundan nyo kami on our next vlog. Maraming salamat mga ma'am, sir. This has been JB Domingo with my girlfriend
Jam Reyes.
You know, stay safe, God bless, and
Adios.
adios. Bye guys, happy 20th anniversary Disneyland. Let's go.